Yeah, yo, I have so much attitude, my girl. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Your body make me heart just a melt. All day upon the gram, me a melt. Can't tell you say you, girl, them good, ready. I know me want your body every day.
Hey love, so I'm just gonna dive right into this video. I'm using my True Match L'Oreal foundation in the color N8, and I'm also using my Fit Me Maybelline foundation in the number 360. So I'm just gonna blend that out. So I'm going to be using this liquid latex that I got from Walmart. It was just about like $2, and I'm just going to apply it to the areas that I'm going to put the scar at. Now I took some toilet tissue and I'm just going to kind of rip it to the same shape as the latex liquid, and I'm just going to apply it right on there. This gives it a more thick, realistic look. Now I'm going to reapply the liquid latex on top of the tissue so it can actually look like skin, so it'll be more thick. Now I'm going to take my Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to use the indigo color. Using the same palette, I'm going to take that royal purple color and I'm going to apply that to my eyelids as well. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee and I'm going to cut my crease. Then I'm going to take that same royal purple color and I'm just going to apply it to the ends of the crease that I cut to give it like that halo effect. I'm going to be using my foil eye palette from BH Cosmetics and I'm going to go in with that grayish silver looking color and I'm just going to apply that to my halo. Now I'm going back in with the royal purple color and I'm going to put it on the ends of my halo again just to make sure it's nice and clean and give like a faded effect. I'll be taking my foundation Fit Me by Maybelline in the number 360 and I'm going to be patting it all through the latex on top of it so it can like blend with my skin. Next, I'll be using my NYX setting powder and I'm going to apply it on top of the latex just to give it a nice finishing look. I don't want it to look unrealistic, so now that the latex is dry, I'm going to kind of slit it and make a nice cut so when I insert the blood, it looks really realistic. So I'm going to go back with my foundation over the white spots since I cut it, so the latex obviously can blend with my skin. And I'm also going to apply red eyeshadow and purple eyeshadow to give it like a bruise effect. I'll be using this fake blood. I believe I either got this from Walmart or Party City, and I'm just going to insert it inside of like the cuts that I made with the latex. I'm using my Wet n Wild brown eyebrow pencil, and I'll be using that to line my lips. Then I'll take my L'Oreal Burgundy liquid lipstick and I'll apply that to my lips. My lips a darker effect, I will be going in with NYX. Fortunately, that didn't give me the look that I was going for, so I went in with a dark purple eyeshadow to give me a darker bruised effect.